In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to manage email notification settings on your Instagram account. So whether it's product or news or feedback notifications, if you want to make some changes, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Go underneath where it says how you use Instagram and select notifications. Scroll down underneath other notification types and select email notifications. And then at this point, you can modify feedback, reminder, product, news, or support emails by toggling it on or off. To the right and lit up blue means it's enabled. If it's grayed out, it means it's turned off. Toggle to the left. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.